Is this a safe zone? Oh, damn. What is this? A dildo? Is that already loaded? Yeah, I think so. A little sound effect. Huh?
What did he do?
I don't know. They're just battling. Blunder cannon. What exactly does this do? Right. Right. I'm a dragon. Oh, I can't stop. Oh, fuck, I'm on fire. What is this? Oh, what the oh, that was like an ender pearl. Why is it not working? Alright, I'm gonna try to... Hey, no one kill me. I'm gonna try out the helicopter. How do I enter? Just... Okay. Okay, so... I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. How do I turn it on?
Oh, I wanna. Oh, I'm gonna.
You're in the
blow
wrong
you out of
seat,
air,
see?
boy. Let me get. I don't know how to fly an aeroplane.
I'm a little
You're in the wrong
stupid.
seat. You're in the wrong seat.
Oh god, I don't like this. I don't like this. Ah! That doesn't work. Oh! I hit him without using sight.
Oh, it's him. That's you guys. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
have a bit of a head start. Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Jesus.
Oh.
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 Oh god.
You have
Oh,
no
God.
idea what you're doing. You have no fucking
Go off.
I kind
Go
of
off.
I can't. What the fuck my life?
Go the. What is he doing?